let's just select that building and set it properly. And let's just make it a little bit down, a little bit forward, like that. So we have created our first building. Let's just set fast that cube that we are using as a skill. Now just play the game and let's just see what we have done with our buildings and how our buildings are just looking. So okay, now we can see our building is looking great. Now we are having an issue. Our car is just passing through our buildings with ninja techniques, but we do not want that. We are going to set that. We'll just go out and just select their buildings one by one. Every building, just go for it and search for and add a component, and make sure it is use a box splitter for the just make it edit, and you can see it is also edited, and make a box around the building properly. Let's go on that building and add also a component in box splitter. Yes, you can see it is also fitted. Just make it here also box splitter. Add all the box splitter to all buildings. So just it collide with the building. So let's just add all the buildings with the box splitter. Like that, a box splitter. Add component, a box splitter, and add component, box splitter. Now each building is has the box splitter. Let's just check it out. Yes, it is all the having the box splitter. Our car does not pass through the buildings.